Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom, and today we're sitting in front of a beautiful 1967 Chevelle SS. Beautiful, beautiful color. Check out this candy apple red. Beautiful trim, chrome. Remember, at Vanguard, we don't have to have them in our showroom unless we choose to. We write a check for every one of our cars that we have in here, so we make sure they're great quality before we do so. Check out the driver's side. Beautiful restoration done, poker straight. Sitting on a set of nice Cragars. BFGoodrich. What better meats would you want on there? Check out the interior of this beauty. Check out the door lips right here. Something I always look for when I'm buying a car. Make sure it's nice and clean. The jambs look great. They didn't paint all over the latches. They took their time and did a hell of a job. Look at the interior, absolutely beautiful. The gauges look nice and clear. Beautiful black carpet. Black interior. Don't miss out on this one, guys. 60s Chevelles, or actually any year Chevelle, they don't stay around here long. I'm available 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. My name is. Give me a call, and we can definitely help you park this dream in your driveway. We're located out here in Michigan, about 30 minutes north of the Detroit Metro Airport. We'd love to have you come on in and see us. Let's check out the trunk here. Once again, beautiful, clean trunk. Check out these jambs. They took their time. They wet sanded them, made them shiny like the rest of the car, including underneath the trunk lid. Little things like that tell the story on what quality restoration somebody did on a car. The rear bumper's nice and shiny. Passenger side just as clean as the driver's side here. All the lines match up nice. They have the tripod gauges mounted underneath there too, if you didn't see them. We'll show you those better when we take it for a ride. Remember, you can get a hold of me 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. I can help you with transportation, financing, and ultimately help you park this dream in your driveway. Hey guys, let's go for a ride in the 67 Chevelle SS. What a wonderful drive. Love the 454 crate motor, always a favorite of mine. The GM Performance motors, you know, pulled right out of the box, put in plenty of horsepower, reliable. Steering and everything is great on this car. Can't complain at all. Remember, at Vanguard, we're non-consignment, so every car we bring in, we make sure we like it before we write a check. This thing is absolutely unbelievable. I love the thump. Got a great cam in that motor. You can hear it purr. And when you're ready, it's got plenty of power. Remember, I'm available 7 days a week at 248-974-9513 with any questions you might have. It has the 3 gauges right here, aftermarket. You got a water, oil, and voltmeter down there to take care of the ones up here. Speedo, your fuel gauge works. If you notice, all this trim is in very good condition. that's usually kind of a little messed up on most of them. But look at all this, the dash pad, this panel, all nice and clean, like new. Even the console and the trim around the console, the same thing. Very, very high quality. Remember, if you want to come visit us, we're only 30 minutes north of Detroit Metro Airport. Hop on a plane, come up and visit us. Check out all our cars and meet all of us if you'd like to. We're going to take this baby back here in a minute. We're going to get it up on the rack, show you just how beautiful the car is from top to bottom. It's hard to handpick beautiful cars. Been doing it for 20 years, and it gets harder and harder. If you need help financing with transportation, don't let that be a hurdle. You can give me a call and I can help you with all those needs you may have, because we want you to be able to park your dream in your driveway. This is one of our buildings here. We're gonna bring it in right now, put it up on a hoist, and show you just exactly what we look for. Hey guys, now we're underneath this beautiful 67 Chevelle, and boy, let me tell you, I was impressed with the top. Now look at the bottom. Brand new gas tank. This bar usually here takes a lot of wear and tear over the years, looks awesome. Right behind the bumper. The inner rockers are like brand new in there. Absolutely beautiful. This beautiful 3-inch mandrel bent exhaust is just out of this world. Sitting on a 12-bolt Posi, 331 gears, awesome cruising gear. You got a nice sway bar here. Check out the floors and everything on this thing. It's absolutely beautiful. Don't see any imperfections on the floors. The frame looks awesome. Just absolutely phenomenal build, you guys. It's hard to find vehicles built like this. So let me tell you, if you find one and you're interested, you got to jump on it right away. It's got a turbo hydromatic 400 trans. And of course, under the hood is this big beast 454 crate. You got tubular front A-arm controls, both sides, of course. We go through and we check all the suspension, make sure it's right and tight for you. We're gonna show you the rims and tires now. Up front, we're running one of our favorites, a Cragar SS mag with some beautiful BFGoodrich Radial TAs. This one's a 225 6015. Let's jump out back and see what kind of meat we got back there. Out back, we're running a 255 6015. Let's drop her down and show you under the hood. All right, guys, now we're underneath the hood of this beautiful 67 Chevelle SS. It's running a Crate ZZ 454 with 496 horsepower. Absolutely phenomenal. It's got a electronic ignition out back, power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator. This thing's ready to go to the show or drive and have some fun. Remember, at Vanguard Motor Sales, I can be reached at 7 days a week at 248-974-9513. Give me a call and I'll tell you just how to park this dream in your driveway.